Hey there, folks. I'm Joe Crawford. Pretty much every day I go to CSSBattle.dev, do the daily target, and I record it. Well, not for you. No, I kind of do that for you. All right, here we go. Uh, no, that's not true. I do it for me. I do it because I enjoy it. All right, let's make a paragraph element out of this guy. I really am fascinated by this guy. Um, how do we do this? I think this is an interesting one. Okay, so I'm going to do borders and then, so I'm going to make a paragraph element. The circle is going to be on the body, okay, as a background, as a radial grading. But the rest of it, I'm going to try and do with borders and a background color. Let's see if I can get that to work. So I need margins. So I'm going to do border, solid, this color, and then I'm going to set widths on these borders. Border width. And I think I can do that with 3 numbers. 40, 40, 80. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm getting at. I'm going to remove the background. And now I need to use margins to push this into place. Margin 50, 10, maybe? 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 22. All right, so that's what I've got so far. This height is too tall. How about 70? Okay. So the top purple is not big enough. So what was that, 50? 30? 20? So 30 is, I think is correct. Oh, I'm going to do a background of black just so I can see what I'm doing here. Okay. So the side borders need to be, no, side borders are 30, 30, 30, 30. And then this height is 80 maybe. Okay, so this is what I've got lined up. Now, I think I can do a padding of 10, 0, and then have a keyword of uh, box content. Is that right? Oh, I'm not remembering. I got to look this up. I'm not on the screen here. Uh, there is a keyword associated with background. I think it's inner content. What is it? Border box. Is it border box? No. Oh, I know that I can do it in a different way, and apologies for doing this kind of looking up background clip. Oh, oh, padding box. Let's see if padding box is the keyword. No, it doesn't work. It's not working how I expect it to. I believe so. This is background clip is the keyword that I'm looking for, and I'm going to pull this over just to and maybe I'll put this link in the notes as well. But one of the ways that you can clip a background is to a particular board box. I think that only apply. It doesn't apply to the color. I think it applies to, or it's also one other thing I'll try is the padding have to be in pixels or something. And no, I don't think so. Let's try a linear gradient with just black and see if that does a better job. No, it doesn't. All right. So I'm going to not do that. Get rid of the padding. I'm going to do a background the normal way, linear gradient. And because I've got a circle that I still have yet to do, 10 pixels, and then the purple, 0, and set a position of 0, 0, and a height of 50 pixels. So now it's repeating. Great. The height needs to be 60, 70. There it is. Great. So now I have what I want. So I'm a little disappointed. I know that folks have shared solutions using Content Box as the background clip, and I think there are ways to do it. I don't understand the nuances of it, but this is, more to learn. So background, we need a radial gradient. Yeah. Radial gradient. And I need that to be a circle. I put a measure of 1Q to do that. 30 pixels, let's say, and then yellow, and then I need that to move upwards. So I'm going to put a 0 as the X background position, and then probably minus 50 pixels. Oh, nope, that's not working. Oh, there it is, 70, 80, 90. Yeah, it's like a little sunrise, 100. Actually, it should be 90, I bet. Where are we? Where's that number? Here it is, 90. I could also use an at value for that. 95. There it is, 95. So that is a solution. I was hoping to do that without a gradient on the P element, but I did not succeed. I will be experimenting with that because I'm very curious about using that technique. And once again, I'll put the background clip in the notes because that's worth knowing about and understanding. It has pretty good support across all browsers. I guess that I'm just missing a nuance in how to do that. The other thing I could have done would be an inset box shadow, two of them, one coming down, one going up. That would be another way to do that perfectly legit. Actually, let's go ahead and do that because that's also fun. Let's see, background, we'll do purple. And then we say color of this. And then if I do box shadow, inset 10 pixels or 0, 10 pixels, and inset 0 minus 10 pixels also does that. So that's the alternative way, because I've done the lines around this as borders, 30, 30, 80. Totally acceptable. Minify, unireplace. That's 8 minutes worth of CSS fun. That's a fun one. That's a fun one. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you're taking care of yourself, take care of each other. Go make a webpage. I'll see you again sometime.